Hello students, welcome. You are watching Study with Nitesh. Today we are going to study about matrix, right? Today we will learn the topic is matrix, right? So what is matrix? First thing which comes in our mind is what is matrix, right? So there is a definition, right? A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of functions or numbers. What? It is nothing but a arrangement, right? Arrangement in a row and with the columns, right? Rectangular arrangement, right? You can see I directly come with the example, right? Which is very easy to understand, right? This is called a matrix, right? This is a notation, large bracket, right? So you can see there is two rows. This is rows. This is called row. This is first row and this is called second row, right? So there are two rows here, and here it is. This is first column, this is second column, and this is third column, right? So there are two rows and three columns in this matrix. Okay, so what the next things come to our mind that what is this? I have written here. This is 2 cross 3. You can say 2 by 3. So it indicates that in a matrix there are two rows. First is row and second is column, right? Row and then column. So this is called 2 cross 3 or 2 by 3. So this is called order of matrix. What is called order of matrix? This is order of matrix, right? I hope you understood, right? So to know the order of matrix is much important, right? So this was the definition of matrix and the order of matrix, right? Okay, next topic is comparable matrices. What? Comparable matrices, right? Uh, you will notice that I have spoken matrices, not matrix. So matrices is nothing but a plural form, right? The plural form of matrix is matrices, right? So what is comparable matrix? Assume if we have a two matrix called A equal to this and B equal to this. The two matrix will called comparable if they have a same order, right? Two matrix is said to be comparable matrices if they have a same order. You can check here. In matrix A, how many columns or how many rows? So there are two rows. You can check there are two rows. So two rows and there are three columns. First, second and third. So order of matrix is 2 cross 3. What? 2 cross 3. Similarly, in matrix B, again there is two rows and three columns. This is three columns. First one, second one, and third one. Right? So you can see here that the both the matrix have the same order. So we can say the matrices are comparable, right? The matrices are comparable. Comparable, okay? Right. The next topic is equal matrices. What is equal matrices, right? Again, there is two conditions to having equal matrices, right? What are the conditions? Look at here. The two matrices should have same order, right? The given matrices have same order. Okay. Now there is second condition as well, right? The elements in the corresponding positions are equal. What are the corresponding position? Look at here. We have a two matrix A and B, right? what is corresponding position? This is X and this is A. These are in corresponding position. This is Y and this is B. These are in corresponding position. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So we cannot say now that two matrices are having equal matrices, right? So for converting it into equal matrices, if value of X becomes equal to A, right? If X equal to A and Y equal to B, if it happens, then we can say that the matrices are equal because the corresponding positions element should be same. These are the elements. These are called elements. X, Y, minus X. These are the elements, right? So the elements, corresponding elements should be same, right? So there are two conditions for equal matrices, right? Hopefully you are understanding what I am teaching you, right? So move to our next topic, right? Okay, before moving ahead, there is a note. There is a note for you, right? What it says? It says matrix is not a number. Remember, matrix is not a number. It has got no numeric value, right? It has no numeric value. So this is not a number and not a numeric value, right? Okay, thank you.